Hey, I'm Brian. This is Brian Builds. Thanks for joining. If you're new here, go on and hit the buttons between now and the end of the video so you can get all the updated, fancy, fun information. If you're coming back, thanks for coming back. What are we working on today? Super Duty. We have a Super Duty. Am I in park or reverse or... I don't know. Let's see what's going on. There's this. Aluminum versus the old plastic part. Over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There. That's what we're doing. There's looks like a 6mm bolt. Take it off, put it on, good to go. Can't hold the camera and do it at the same time, so let's get it on, or off and on, and we'll see what we got. Let's get to work. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. See you next time.